Today we're showing you a 2008 Case IH Farmall 60 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Case International L360 quick attach front loader. Tractor is in nice shape, has just over 300 hours on it, has 60 horsepower. These are very hard to find little tractors. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. It's got the 6-foot bucket on it, which does show a little wear. Heavy duty front bucket. It does have the skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Also has plumbed here to operate a grapple or a bale squeeze, anything like that. It is plumbed off the rear hydraulic. Top of the hood does have a couple surface scratches in it. I don't know how well you can pick that up here in the video, but it does have very faint surface scratches in it. R4 tires are in good shape, front and back. You can still see the size imprinted there on the tread. It's got 2 sets of rear wheel weights, foldable rollover bar, and again it does have the rear hydraulic that is currently being ran to the front there for that front hydraulic. Telescopic 3-point arms, have the category 1 and category 2 balls in there. 540 PTO, drawbar, top link are all with it. Has a toolbox right back here. Again, 2 sets of wheel weights. It has the hydraulic shuttle. You can shift from forward to reverse without clutching on this lever right here. Has tilt steering wheel, 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges over here to the left, and then a 4-speed up here on the dash. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. Back here you've got your PTO engagement, 4-wheel drive engagement down below here. Brake lock there to the side as well. To the right you've got your loader control, 3-point and rear hydraulic control, cup holder in the fender there. Overall this is a very nice little tractor. The paint may be slightly faded, but overall again very nice. A couple small surface scratches in the top of the hood. For a tractor that's 10 years old, it's in pretty nice shape. Very low hours on the machine. It runs, drives, and works just like it should. It will have to pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We also take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.